This is what makes Camtasia an elite video creation tool for coaches, course creators, and trainers. Just hit record to capture your screen, webcam, and microphone all in one take. And with the updates in Camtasia 23, you'll be surprised at what you can do when it comes time to edit your video. Let me show you the best settings for creating any type of screen recording video. And pay attention for a tip that's guaranteed to keep your viewers watching. Come on, let's make a Camtastic video. All right, for our first step, we're going to launch Camtasia, and instead of clicking this new recording button here, we're going to go ahead and start a new project. And here's why we're going to do that. Any computer program is known to crash from time to time, and if it crashes and you haven't saved your work, you lose all of your progress. So I'll launch Camtasia and I'll immediately save my video project. Going to File, Save As, giving my project a name, saving it, and making sure that I'm saving early and saving often. Next, we're going to click the record button here to launch the Camtasia recorder. This right here is the most powerful video creation tool in Camtasia. So we're going to go ahead and make sure all of our options are turned on here. And I like to do that just to give us more options when it comes time to editing our video project. This first drop down here is to select our screen. By default, it's going to select one of two screens. If you have a setup like mine where you have your laptop and an external monitor, you can choose your external monitor to record and then use your laptop like I do to have your script and any notes that you want to have during your presentation. You can also see there's a bunch of different options here. We've got horizontal and we've got vertical options down below. You can also choose a custom resolution if you want to and type in the values here. But most of the time, the values that you're going to use are the two options at the top of the screen. Next is your webcam. Now, I use my DSLR camera with an Elgato capture card, but you can use your USB camera that's plugged into the computer, or you can also use the built-in webcam on your laptop. Next is your microphone. Now, what's cool about the microphone is that you've got this little slider here so you can fine tune your recording. If the audio is bouncing too high here on the scale, you can use this slider to bring it down slightly and adjust it so that you're getting the bouncing point right at the middle of the slider here, the scale here. You can also adjust it so that you're louder than you need to be or louder than your microphone is picking you up as. You have a ton of options with this. I like to record with my Shure MV7. It gives me a nice clean sound and allows me to speed up post-production by not having to do a lot of editing there. And then the last thing is the system audio. Now, with system audio, any sounds that your computer makes, the beeps, the boops, the videos that you go to when you're recording your screen, if you're trying to play back a video during your presentation, make sure that you've got system audio on because it's going to record that sound there. What's cool about Camtasia and what they do really well is it records the system audio on a separate track from your voiceover. So if you need to remove something later in post-production, let's say you got a notification and you don't want that sound in your final product, you can do that there. But having all of these options on gives you the most options when it comes to editing your video and getting it exactly how you want it. Now, a little trick that's going to increase the watch time of your videos and give your viewers a more memorable and enjoyable viewing experience is to increase the size of your display magnification to 125 or 150%. Some tutorial videos record their full screen, and without the magnification, it makes everything way too small, and so the viewers have to squint and try to see what's actually going on the screen, and it causes them to tune out quick, and they're not going to stick around. They're going to go to the next video or see if they can find the information elsewhere. So you want to actually update your display settings by going to your system preferences and updating the scale or the magnification to 125 or even 150%. Again, your viewers are going to love you for it, and it is going to make your screen recording videos stand out from people who are not doing this. Now you're ready to start recording. Hit the record button and the timer's going to count down from 3, 2, 1, and at that point, anything that shows up on your screen, Camtasia is going to record for you. Run through your demonstration. When you're done recording, you can hit the stop button right here on the toolbar, or you can go ahead and hit F10 on your keyboard. Camtasia will stop the recording, put the media on the timeline for you right away, and you're ready to start editing your screen recording project. Camtasia is a great screen recorder, but it's also a great video editor. If you want to keep working on your project in Camtasia, check out this video on the screen right now. And for a complete walkthrough of the video production process to take your project from start to finish, I'll put a list of resources down in the description below. Make sure you subscribe if you want more Camtasia tips and tricks. That's it for this Camtastic video. My name is Steven, and I'll see you in the next video.